Khloe Kardashian, known for her reality TV stardom and impeccable style, recently shared one such moment with her fans. A heart-melting snapshot of her cradling her 20-month-old son, Tatum, aboard a private jet. Khloe, with a radiant smile, envelops Tatum in her arms, their connection palpable even through the screen. Captioned simply with "My Baby," Khloe's words echo the universal sentiment of a mother's love for her child. But this snapshot is more than just a picture. It's a window into Khloe's world as a mother. Khloe said, "Every single minute I have with you, I fall deeper in love." Her words, filled with emotion, resonate with every parent who has experienced the profound joy of raising a child. As we see Khloe and Tatum together, it's evident that their bond transcends the glitz and glamour of their celebrity status. It's a bond forged in moments like these, simple yet profound. So, as we marvel at this heartwarming snapshot, let it serve as a reminder of the beauty found in the everyday moments of love and connection. Because in the end, it's these moments that truly matter.